What the heck is that thing?
Oh, hi.
This is it. This is the news a nation has been waiting for. The news that Nash, pioneering producer of great cars since 1902, is now announcing yet another great automobile.
So this is the latest project I've been working on. This belongs to a friend of mine, and he is having it street rotted, so it's basically going to be taking out the old engine and transmission and suspension and updating it all with a little more performance. Cost-effective way to do it is just to upgrade the components to newer stuff. It's slightly controversial to do that, but that's what we're doing. So the car is, you know, it's kind of a cool shape. The wheel wells are very unusual, being that they're like covered. You don't see the wheels very much.
The sweeping fender line is right up to the minute, but the fully enclosed wheels, both front and rear, mark Nash the car of the future.
Interior, it's original interior, which is in really good shape still.
Oh my.
Yeah, the back seats in this thing are really sweet. It's this is an option apparently. So you had dual bucket seats and great armrests, a lot of dust.
You can see the dust coming off.
But good headroom, nice, comfortable back here. It's got roll down windows, just far enough for like a cigarette, some airflow. You know,
like those back then.
A lot of nice creature comforts. You know, that's a switch for the light. Up front, the dash is pretty cool too. We got, this is their gauge cluster. You got temperature, oil, fuel, and then speedometer there. This was a stick shift on the column, which I've never driven one of those, but they're somewhat difficult to learn. The ignition switch is right here, which is cool. It's got a clock. It's got a lot of accessories. It's got a, believe it or not, this car has an electric gas cap. You push a button in here and it unlocks the gas cap. So that's stuff that was way ahead of its time. And also there's a hood pop in this car. Up until like the 70s, most cars just had a, you reach underneath the hood and you can open the hood, but this will, you have to have the door unlocked and you have to be able to get inside the cabin to unlock the hood.
The 1949 Nash has cockpit control, the instrument dials, conveniently housed just below eye level. All give the driver the same easy sureness of control that a pilot has in an airplane cockpit.
So one of the coolest things about these old Nashes, as far as I know, these are like the only cars that did it. And they were popular with like salesmen and door-to-door salespeople back in the day, is the seat. You could fold it down and, did you get it? I don't think. It's a little engineering mishap. They should have gone forward another inch, but.
To make up the bed, all you do is unlatch the back of the front seat, swing out a supporting bracket, then lower the back of the front seat to the level of the rear cushion.
Hold on, Scott, your fat ass is in there. That's what's going on. So the nice feature with these Nashes is you can fold down the seat. Oh yeah, no, that wasn't installed right. All right, start. Here we go. You could fold the seat down and it would be flat, and that one does the same thing. So you'd have sort of a weird queen shaped size bed, and then you could just pull over to the side of the road, or one of those drive-in movies that were so popular with youngsters, and you can fully recline and you could like sleep. fully reclined.
Not too bad.
And yeah, you could just barely see the drive-through movie going on. And
Shaking's not too bad in here.
well, it doesn't have any wheels on it, but yeah, so nice car. Probably one of the best features of the car, really, in here. It's this interior.
It's actually not that bad.
No, you know, when you're laying on it, except for the fact that your feet are up kind of high. I don't know if they could sort of lower that, but anyways, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching. Bye.